Hey everybody, it's Neil. I have the Tevlaphee wheel lock, and it fits a 7.5 to 11-inch width tire. And so these are good. When I had my camper, these were great to put on like the back tire when I was at a camping spot because it would keep on the trailer tire because it would keep anybody from trying to take it. Definitely put it in a conspicuous place so people can see that you've got it on there. So that is good. Or if you wanted to. If you have somebody coming over to your house or something and they're drinking and everything, you can go and set this up on there. Say, hey, if you're going to be drinking, we're putting this thing on your car, so you're not going nowhere. But because if somebody tried to drive off on this, man, it would have ruined their car. I guess if someone's drinking and they're starting to drive, man, bad news. Okay, so this is what it looks like here. So it's a kind of a heavy duty thing, and it's got this big old chunking thing at the end. So I'll show you kind of how it works. Hopefully, if you're looking up in one of these corners here, I'll show you it on the car. But in the meantime, let's do this here. So the key, the weird looking key, it's got this like half round, excuse me, it's got this half round thing going on, and that little keyhole has got the half round keyhole. So you turn it there, you can take this off, and then what you do is you just put this around the wheel, and then put the other side around the wheel, and probably there, and then so once you get it to where you want it, then you push the button in, so you get it around the wheel, so there, push the button in, and then it's locked on, and then nobody can drive off because they got this thing sticking out of it. So pretty cool, nice, easy. This one here is not too terribly heavy, so that's kind of nice, so somebody can hold it themselves to put it on, but it's got the colors and the thing, so it's totally a detriment, so someone won't want to take it. You know, most of these safety devices are to keep honest people honest. It's kind of the concept of it. Somebody really wants to find a way. They always seem to. But this one here seems cool. It's got a unique lock, so if somebody trying to pick it would look at it and go, what do I even do with that? So it's cool. I mean, I like this one here. Let me see. So yeah, so I can just close it up on a small section. Let me just see if there's anything I missed. I mean, here's a picture of it on a car, but hopefully you can see it in one of these corners on my car. And then there's the instructions on how to do it. So if you need it, you can pause it and zoom in. Seems pretty straightforward though. I like it. I like this one here. So if I'm going into some Sketchville again with my trailer or anything like that, like it's good if you have like a U-Haul trailer or something. You don't want somebody to grab it off your car. You can just kind of stick this on as you go too, if you rent trailers often. So this is cool. I like it. Thumbs up.